Mainam in the white here. Liu Pingshui in the black. In southpaw stance, the man from China looking for victory number 7. 6-4 record. A 100% finishing rate for Liu. Also 100% finishing rate for Mainam, who holds a 4-2 record. Nice 50-50 split on the finishes. 3 knockouts, 3 subs for Liu. For Roshan Mainam, 1 knockout, 3 submissions, Dragon.
Watch the back of the head! This is what I was waiting for. I was waiting for Mainam to get in tight on that takedown. He's a wrestling specialist. He's got a very heavy top game. And you can see Liu immediately starts attacking with the elbows and ground and pound from the bottom position. Mainam needs to slow that down, get control of those hands, and start looking for that ground and pound.
So many big things mooted for both of these two young men, 24 years old each of them. Roshan, who is out of Singapore these days from Team Evolve MMA. Liu, based out of Beijing, China at the Fighting Brothers Club. Gives up a couple of centimetres in height, gets caught with a right hand as Roshan as he came in there. Some hammer fist strikes to the side of the head and the clavicle from the Chinese athlete, backed against the circle wall. Throws a nice little corky knee and gets out of dodges. Roshan Mainam tries to land the hooking punches. Liu goes the outside thigh kick, looking through his brow here, trying to cut off the movements as Roshan does a nice job of scooping away that lead leg front kick. Probing jab to front kick to right hand from Liu Pingshui. Good overhand right, doubles up and it does Roshan. Back to centre circle, Liu with the uppercut, almost a bolo punch, came from low. Round kick to the ribs he saw there from Roshan Mainam. We do expect this one to go to ground at some stage. So far, both men content to trade in the stand-up. There was a nice right hand a moment ago down the tube from Roshan Mainam. Good pace to open up here, Dragon.
Yeah, Mainam's trying to get off with that right hand. He's throwing it very aggressively, and he's also looking for the takedown. But you can see that Liu kind of expects the takedown to come. And the way that Mainam's kind of grabbing him, he's kind of grabbing him around his waist. He's got to attack those legs and get nice and deep on that takedown if he wants to slow him down. But a big roundhouse kick just landed for Mainam.
You will see the better strikes coming from Liu, the kickboxer, very fluid, very accurate striker. Roshan Mainam's going to start to shoot him for the takedown soon, and there's one, just as I say it, driving takedown of the canvas from Roshan Mainam. Inside of half guard, can he posture up here? Inside the full guard now, good right hands from Mainam, the ground and pound. Back to his feet, drops the right hand to the jaw of Liu Pingshui. Nicely done from Roshan Mainam, Dragon.
Yeah, Mainam did a beautiful job of sweeping out the support leg and attacking the legs on that double leg. And he was able to put Liu on his back, but Liu's very active from the striking from the bottom, and he's able to work his way back up to his feet. You can see the breathing is getting kind of labored on Mainam, so this is not a good indication as we're ending the first round.
Liu has gone 3-2 in his last 5, 6-4 in his last 10. This is where he prefers to be, but as I said earlier, very even split, 3-3, 3 subs, 3 knockouts in his 100% finishing rate. Mainam does prefer the subs. 75% of wins, finishes, I should say, by submission for Roshan Mainam. Again, look for the ground and pound. The up kicks here from Liu. Roshan tried to power through again with the right hand. Liu keeping him at bay. The feet on hips here of the Indian. Final seconds of what has been a blistering pace in this opening round to kick off one championship reign of dynasties. We are coming at you live from Singapore, and we thank the amazing Singapore government making sure that everyone is safe and everything goes off without a hitch tonight. And so far, we are loving all the action, Mitch.
See, when Mainam's able to get nice and deep on those legs, he is successful on the takedown. But Liu is having success on the ground, really get that good control. But it's going to come down to the takedown and who has the bigger gas tank as this match progresses, because these guys are exerting a lot of juice.
You saw the corners go to work on their respective athletes. They are like the pit crews in a Formula One race. They have 1 minute to tend to their athlete. You saw the end swell, the cold press under the right eye of ROSHAN MAINAM, sustaining some damage to that orbital in the first round. You saw the Vaseline applied on the T section along the brows and the bridge of the nose of Liu Shui. And here we are in the second of three. Our three judges circle side are scoring as an overall contest and not round by round. Good double right hand, make it three, make it four there. And an uppercut on the inside from ROSHAN MAINAM. Good right hand to go to the temple. MAINAM, who is built like a brick hit house, is landing the leather early in the second round, Dragon.
Yeah, it's coming from that right hand. He likes to double and triple that right hand up as he's marching forward, trying to engage in that clinch, thinking about taking it to the ground. But this is a very entertaining matchup. We are seeing a contrast of styles, contrast of game plans, and ROSHAN MAINAM is starting to play out his blueprint perfectly.
Liu Shui is used to finishing opponents in the first round. He's had 5 first-round finishes, so going into a little bit deeper water here is the Chinese athlete. No signs of ring rust, though, after that 20-month layoff due to an injury. But there is concern every time that ROSHAN comes forward with those hands so heavy to the jaw and temple, because half of Liu Shui's losses have come via knockout. Looking to go to side control now. ROSHAN MAINAM gets there. Can he mount the Chinese athlete? Does so. Well done from the Indian, Mitch.
Yeah, beautiful guard pass to end up in side mount, floated beautifully right over into full mount, and now he's dropping that ground and pound. This is where that control is going to come in. Can Liu start to scramble? Can he start to get away? Or is MAINAM just going to drop these hammers on top of him?
ROSHAN is a 4-time Delhi State Wrestling Champion, IA MMA Amateur Flyweight and Bantamweight Champion. Has the back, trying to flatten him out here like a pancake. Can't quite get there, though. Gonna try and loosen him up a little more. Try and sink the choke now. ROSHAN MAINAM going for the finish of the second round. Will he find it? Will he find it? Liu Shui defending, and it's good night, Irene. That's a great win to kick off one championship reign of dynasties.